So how did you actually come up with the? Did you come up with your name, or was it a who gave you
Nah,
that name?
nah. Actually, my cousin came up with the name.
Your cousin,
Yeah, we all started it together. Legendary Lords.
Legendary Lords.
Yeah, it's loyalty over royalty. Die
Okay.
slowly.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what the Lord stand for. And my last
Loyalty
name is
over.
Ivy, so there you go.
Got you.
Yeah,
Loyalty over royalty.
die slowly.
Die slow lords. Wow. And is this a group or is this just
Yeah,
kind of like a clique or what is it?
yeah, it's a group.
It's a group.
Yeah,
You, your cousin, you said, or your friend, or
yeah, it's my cousin. Yeah,
got
Legendary Flacco. Then you got Lord Millie. And then you got Lord Archer. And then you got Lord Darby. And then you got Lord Seven. And then you got Lord Dizzy. And then you got Merc.
got you. So it's a big collective group
Yeah,
of artists.
for sure.
Got it. Hey man, that's what's up. So next song we actually want to listen to, and this is also from the Rona project as well.
Yes, sir.
And what is that song? Can you present it?
Hey man, this right here is that Rona, man, the self-titled track, man. It's that Rona, man. Y'all boys be careful out there.
Yeah, stay safe.
Yeah. Go dummy cow.
I had the answer when she coming over. She said she really be scared of Rona. I make her play you some chase of commas, but I want that person, your organ donor. These niggas be like they just a controller. Looking for size out in Arizona. Ain't no bad price like on marijuana. You hear me coughing, this ain't no Rona. This ain't no Corona, bitch. If you hear me coughing, this ain't no Rona. This ain't no Corona, bitch. If you hear me coughing, this ain't no Rona. I had the answer when she coming over. She said she really be scared of Rona. I make that play, yeah, some chase of commas, but I want that person, your organ donor. I want them switches, preferably blue. Seen that they mess up, I won't catch the flu. It took me a break, now I'm back in my groove. And maybe some place that I'm going my move. She stays in your line for news and school. Okay, girl, that's fine, I'm into you. And girl, you wet just like a pool. And I'm tryna dive right into you. She say that she down, okay, that's cool. As long as you done, don't act brand new. I can't hear my phone counting revenue. I'm in different states, different avenues. But I wanna eat it up like it's food. These diamonds are wet, but so are you. I'm loving your vibe and your attitude. Don't talk to me nice. Girl, you know I thinking that you fire. Your commitment and drive make it more enticing. We connected like Wi-Fi. I hit it outside. She scared to fly. Okay, girl, I'll drive. Now we in the backseat. I had that bitch running like a track meet. My heart ice cold, call me Gretzky. I'm an asshole in the pussy. She get nasty when she slurp me. And I'm pussy when she push me. And I'm jugging while she looking. If she looked in, that bitch took it. I had the answer when she coming over. She said she really be scared of Rona. I make her play you some chase of commas, but I want that person, your organ donor. These niggas be like they just a controller. Looking for size out in Arizona. Ain't no bad price like on marijuana. You hear me coughing, this ain't no Rona. This ain't no Corona, bitch. If you hear me coughing, this ain't no Rona. This ain't no Corona, bitch. If you hear me coughing, this ain't no Rona. I had the answer when she coming over. She said she really be scared of Rona. I make her play you some chase of commas, but I want that person, your organ donor.
All right, guys. So that was Rona, self-titled Rona, off the EP, correct?
Yes, sir.
So when did you drop that EP? It was recent,
Yeah,
like literally.
probably like more like 10 days ago.
Exactly. Dang, man. Pretty good songs right there. I like Rona, Focused, Big Bang. Those were the main three that I really liked. Great,
Appreciate
great beat selection. Great lyrics. What would you say was your favorite project or favorite song from the project?
Probably Focus.
Focus.
Yeah, it's my favorite. It's my favorite one so far.
Is that the favorite track you've ever made it, or what's your favorite track ever?
I got a couple of them, man. You got to go back and check it out. Just Go back in the archives, man, and check out Lord Ivey. You'll find some. It got some hits in there. It just was
Too many to name, right?
It just perfecting it all and putting it all together for real. So
Got
yeah.
you.
I can't really just name one off the top of my head.
Got it. And you know, what really separates you from these other artists? What do you think really separates you from everybody else trying to come up? Because there's a lot of people here in Dallas.
Yeah,
It's a
for
big
sure.
city. Lots of artists out here.
It's just the grind and the work ethic, man. I feel like my dedication just speaks for itself, and I got my own sound. Like I don't sound on nobody else, so I feel like that set me apart.
Exactly. Different sound for sure. Not the typical just
Dallas sound.
same
Yeah.
same sound. That's so true because like if I would have heard your music, I would have said it's more not even like Atlanta, but it does have a little bit more of an Atlanta sound.
Yeah, I heard that before too.
But what do you think regarding that?
I feel like that's cool. Like if I'm getting that type of love or notoriety,
Exactly.
yeah, I think that's pretty accurate. Because they are the new mecca of hip hop right now. So I take that.